everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to do a center floor exercise using time steps. So this one can either be done fast or slow at a certain part, so I'll break that down when I get to it. So we're pretty much going to do 2 of each time step. Single, double, triple. We're not going to get to the quadruple. But if you don't know any of those time steps yet, or if you maybe need to recollect what they are, you can find the link to my time steps playlist down in my description box below. You can go ahead and refresh your memory and come back to this video after you have refreshed your memory on all of those time steps. So we're going to start with a single, but instead of starting with a stomp like we normally do or shuffle like we sometimes do, we're going to actually start with the hop and we're going to finish with the stomp. So it's a little bit of a backwards time step. So you're actually going to start with the hop on the left foot. So you're going to go hop, step, flap, step, stomp. So from here, left foot starts hop, step, flap, step, stomp. Then you're going to go right foot, hop, step, flap, step, stomp. Now you're going to go into the doubles. You're doing 2 of each, so now doubles. You have hop, flap, step, stomp. And again, hop, flap, step, stomp. From here, you're going to go into 2 triples. Hop, shuffle, step, flap, step, stomp. Hop, shuffle, step, flap, step, stomp. So left side starts. Hop, shuffle, step, flap, step, stomp. Okay, here's where you can either do it slow or fast, depending on how you feel, what level you're at. So this is where we get into a running shuffle. So if you do it slow, you are going to do 4 shuffle steps, 4 running shuffles. So starting with that hop again, you're going to go left foot. We're going to start with the left foot hop. So it'll go hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, step, stomp. To finish off that side like a quadruple. To finish it like a quadruple, that's the step, step, stomp part. And then we would start ultimately on the left side. So let's see. We just finished our triples. There it is. Yes. So that's if you want to do it slow. Hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, step, stomp. And the first shuffle with those is fast like a triple. And then the rest of them are slower. I guess you could say more syncopated. Hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, stomp, step, step, stomp. So a little bit syncopated, I guess you could say. So if you want to do the slow version, this is how it would go. Whole thing through from the top, starting with the singles, going to the doubles, triples, and then the running shuffle. Running shuffle quadruple, I guess you could call it. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, step, flap, step, stomp. Again. Double, hop, flap, step, stomp. Triple, hop, shuffle, step. Hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, step, stomp. Okay, I believe that was the right rhythm. I think the steps need to be faster. Okay, so if you want to do it faster, we just finished the triples. From here, you're going to go hop, shuffle, step, shuffle. You're going to do 6 of the running shuffles. So it'll go hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Hold on, that wasn't right. Hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, step, stomp. There it is. So it's more of an even rhythm, a straight rhythm, whereas when you go slower, it's more syncopated. Let's see. So we finished here on our triples. Flap, step, stomp. So from here, more straight rhythm, 6 times through, or straighter rhythm, I guess. 6 times through of the running shuffle, step, step, stomp. Let's give it a try. 5, starting on the hop on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, There we go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. Those are the counts for that running shuffle there. Okay, so if we want to do the straight rhythm, faster rhythm, starting from the top, 2 single, 2 double, 2 triple, and then into that running shuffle 6 times through. Let's give it a try here, starting on the hop. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, step. Double. Triple. Running shuffle. There you go, nicely done. Let's see, so as I said, you can switch then to left side, whichever way you do it, because we just finished step, step, stomp, left, right, left. So now we would just start with the hop on our right foot. So starting back at the single, hop, step, hop, step, hop, the lap, triple. Now here's where you can do either slow or fast. Let me show you slow first. You have hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, step, stomp. There we go. If you were to do fast, it would go hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and try it through once fully, right side, left side. And I'm going to do the faster version. Why not? Let's push ourselves. I'm going to do the faster version. Here we go. Starting with the hop on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a step suggestion or a song suggestion, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will get to it as soon as possible. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.